Hello everybody, it's time to clean the floor once again. Today I have original pine sol. This one is 15% pine oil and it's from around 2004 or so. Here's what the graphics look like on this particular version. I found it at a small town Ace Hardware several years ago. And as usual, 1 cap full per gallon. I can already smell that. And that smells wonderful. Let's grab the mop and get going. I'll show This one doesn't cloud the water, but it does smell wonderful. Let's get started. And this is the first cleaning since the original Lysol. And this smells a lot better than that. Had a lot of company over during the past week. So this entryway saw a lot of traffic. So I would expect quite a bit of dirt to be pulled up. I did sweep it yesterday, so it's already been swept at least. Now it needs to be mopped. And then I'll go over it a second time quickly. And that is done. And this one sudsed up pretty good, but it did pick up dirt. The water's got a tint of brown to it. So once again, this has been cleaning the floor with 15% pine oil, pine sol. Thank you for watching.